What you doing, Jack?
Drawing.
What are you making?
I'm making a gingerbread man.
Yeah?
What is this? Now I'm gonna put it on again. I'm gonna put it on. Stack it on. A little bit.
Who are you making that for?
Santa.
Yeah?
Making it for him.
Are you having fun making cookies?
Yep.
Pull up your sleeves though, okay?
I did. But other ones,
Yeah.
gotta pull them way up.
Mm-hmm.
There, now I did.
Tell me something else about Santa. What's he gonna bring you?
I think I want him to bring me just another house with those girls in the basement. And a cool truck or that, whatever, something. I need some more flowers. Yeah, I put it all on a table before. Then I can start. I don't want it on the cookie yet. I don't want it on the dough, so that's why I'm taking it off. Taking all the dough off. I'm taking all the all it off.
You got flour in your hair.
I do?
No, you got more in your hair.
Where? I don't see it.
That's okay. We'll get it out later. Alright. You gonna make one more cookie?
Yep. Snowman. Instead of snowman. Amazing. I gotta put
Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say Santa, I hope you like the cookies.
Santa, I hope you like the cookies.
Blow me a kiss. No, with your hands. Now you're dirty. Say bye.